Is it the cold or the flu? One family doctor is warning persons not to confuse the two. TVJ Shamela Pullen has more in the health report.
The health report. The common cold is a viral infection. It is often accompanied by a runny or stuffy nose, sore throat, cough, sneezing, and fever. Family physician Dr. Lincoln Litter says the common cold is contagious, and so persons can get it from those who are already infected, whether through droplets in the air or by direct contact with the affected individual. However, it should not be confused with the flu virus. Dr. Litter says the flu season typically runs from November through March, although you can get it in October or as late as May. You can also get it other times of the year. However, symptoms outside of the flu season are more likely to be from a cold.
Usually the flu is usually a more severe type of illness and usually associated with giant pains, and the patient look much ill.
Dr. Litter says children younger than 6 are at greater risk of getting the common cold, but adults can also expect to have 2 or 3 colds annually. Symptoms might last longer in people who smoke. However, if symptoms don't improve, you're advised to see your doctor as the condition could worsen and may lead to complications.
Starting from the head, we can get sinusitis, we can get ear infection, because of ear infection you can get meningitis, and of course the commonest association with common cold is pneumonia.
And that is the worst it can get?
Yeah, exactly. Meningitis and pneumonia are usually the most serious problem.
How dangerous are those spin-offs of cold?
Serious. We all know that meningitis is really a killer. A lot of children especially die from meningitis and pneumonia.
Dr. Litter says most people recover from a common cold in a week or 10 days.
Prevention is a very important aspect of treating this condition. Number one, home. Home is a very important situation. We need to teach people to wash their hands. Wash their hand, not to touch their face. When they are coughing or sneezing, they use disposable thing. No smoking in household. Exercise and diet. A lot of exercise and diet is a very important form of treating people with common cold.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health. The health report.